So to understand the NAV, the network allocation vector, I want to show you how I send data. And the way 802.11 was originally written, this is not including the quality of service enhancements that were defined later, is that a station will listen, and if the physical medium is free and the NAV is 0, then it will go ahead, after waiting a small back-off period, it'll go ahead and send a data frame. If that data frame is successfully received from the access point will respond with an acknowledgement. Included in the data frame in the MAC header is a duration value, and the duration value is the NAV. I am literally telling everybody, hey, I'm going to be transmitting for this period of time, and is calculating how long it's going to take to send that data frame for the access point to respond back and send an acknowledgement back. And so anybody hearing that data frame, let's say station 2 in this example is close enough to hear it, will hear that duration value and will set its NAV. So it's now set its logical clock to say I cannot transmit during this period. When the access point responds with an acknowledgement, it will set the NAV back to 0. Anybody connected to the access point hearing that acknowledgement will then set their NAV back to 0, and in which case they will then say, okay, is the physical medium free? Oh my goodness, it is. Is my NAV 0? Oh yes, it is. So therefore I wait a random back-off period, and if during that time the medium is still free, I can go ahead and send some data. So what you're seeing here is when a station does transmit, it includes the NAV value to tell any stations close to it, please be quiet during this time because I'm sending data and I'm waiting for an acknowledgement.